Nin. The previous lesson, we discussed preventing cuts, burns, and other common restaurant injuries. Now we'll focus on two other important areas of workplace safety: equipment and chemicals. Restaurants depend on equipment to operate. Cooking equipment, food preparation equipment, refrigeration, cleaning equipment, electrical devices, and many other tools help us perform our jobs every day. We also use cleaning and sanitation products to maintain our restaurants. Both equipment and chemicals can be used safely when employees follow their training and established procedures. 3. Problems often begin when someone takes a shortcut, ignores a warning, or attempts something they have not been trained to do. Let's begin with equipment. The first rule is simple: only use equipment you have been trained and authorized to use. 2. Not assume that because a machine looks simple, you automatically know how to operate it safely. Before using equipment, understand its normal operation and the safety procedures associated with your task. Pay attention to the condition of the equipment as well. If you notice a damaged cord, broken component, missing guard, unusual sound, exposed wiring, or leaking equipment, do not simply continue using it. Stop using the equipment when appropriate and report the concern to the proper manager or leader. Do not attempt an unauthorized repair. Do not choose tape, makeshift parts, or another temporary solution to keep unsafe equipment operating. And never bypass a guard, cover, or switch. Safety features exist for a reason. Electrical equipment requires additional awareness. Keep electrical connections and equipment away from inappropriate exposure to water. Do not ease visibly damaged plugs or cords. Do not pull equipment by its electrical cord. And if electrical equipment behaves unexpectedly, stop and report the problem rather than experimenting with it. If you are unsure, ask before using it. Now, let's talk about cleaning chemicals. Cleaning and sanitation are essential in restaurant operations. But the products used to clean and sanitize can create hazards when they are handled incorrectly. The most important principle is: know what you are using. Cleaning products should remain properly identified and labeled according to workplace procedures. Never use a chemical from an unlabeled container. Never assume you know what a liquid is simply because of its color or where you found it. Follow the product label and Guanato's procedures. Use any required protective equipment for the task. And never mix chemicals unless the instructions specifically require it. Mixing incompatible cleaning products can create dangerous reactions or fumes. If you don't know whether two products can be combined, do not combine them. Chemical storage is also important. Cleaning chemicals should be kept in their designated storage areas and separated from food and food contact items. Never place chemicals into food containers, beverage cups, or other containers that could cause someone to mistake them for something safe to consume. Labels matter. Storage matters. Following instructions matters. If a chemical spills or creates fumes, alert the appropriate manager immediately. Do not smell or touch an unknown substance to identify it. Secure or avoid the area as appropriate and notify the proper person. Employees should know how to access the safety information required for the products they work with. You are never expected to invent a safety procedure. Whether you are working with equipment or chemicals, remember, use only as trained. Never bypass safety features. Stop and report damaged equipment. Know which chemical you are using. Follow labels. Never mix unless instructed. Store in designated locations. Use required PPE. And when unsure, ask. Safety comes from knowing how to use tools correctly and recognizing when you should not use them at all. NETS. You'll complete a short assessment on equipment and chemical awareness. After that, we'll move into emergency response and evacuation.